Hello students, welcome back, and this is the video of class 9 biology. And as you know, we are studying about the cell, and here uh, I'm going to discuss about the cell organelle, which is called as mitochondria. So as you know, the mitochondria is very important cell organelle found in the eukaryotic cells. So we'll discuss this about and we'll study about this in this video. So mitochondria, which is known as a powerhouse of the cell, and it is made up of two words, that is mites means thread and chondrions means granule. So when the scientists see this cell organelle under the microscope, it looks like a thread and sometimes it looked like a granules, hence it called as mitochondria. And the number of mitochondria depends on the need of the energy by the cell. जितना ज़्यादा एनर्जी की ज़रूरत होती है, नंबर ऑफ़ माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया उसमें ज़्यादा होते हैं, और जिस सेल में एनर्जी की ज़रूरत कम होती है उसमें नंबर ऑफ़ माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया जो होते हैं वो कम होते हैं. So you can see here that this is the cell and it contains many mitochondria for the generation of energy. And first of all, we will see that the mitochondria, the shape of the mitochondria is saucer shape, and it is a double membranous organelle, means it is made up of double membrane. And the outer membrane is smooth and porous, while the inner membrane is given out into folds called cristae. जो outer membrane होती है ये smooth and porous होती है, लेकिन inner membrane जो होती है वो क्या होती है, folded होती है. And ये जो folded part होता है उसको हम cristae बोलते हैं. Like you can see in this diagram that the outer membrane is smooth and even. The inner membrane, this inner membrane is folded, and the folded part of inner membrane is called cristae. Okay, the folded part of the inner membrane is called cristae. And the space between the inner membrane and outer membrane is called intermembranous space. And the space which is filled the space between the inner membrane is filled with a fluid that is called matrix. And in the matrix there are the granules of ribosomes. Okay, granules of ribosomes, and DNA, circular DNA is found. And on the surface of cristae there are some particles found, that is called oxysomes or F1 particles, which are helpful in the respiration. And as you know, the folding of the inner membrane is to give large surface area, to create a large surface area to generate the ATP, adenosine triphosphate, during the respiration. Okay, the mitochondria is the site of respiration, and as you know, the process of respiration is the process in the living cell which produce the energy. So the mitochondria release the energy in the form of ATP molecule, and this energy is required for performing various activities. And that's why the mitochondria are also known as the powerhouse of the cell. And ATP is known as the energy currency of the cell, because in the end of respiration, whatever the energy is produced by the mitochondria, it is stored in the adenosine triphosphate, and that's why this ATP is known as energy currency of the cell. And our body uses energy stored in ATP for manufacturing new chemical compounds and for chemical work. The cavity of the mitochondria is filled with lipid, protein, circular DNA and ribosome. Thus mitochondria can make some of their protein, क्योंकि माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया के पास प्रोटीन बनाने के लिए राइबोसोम्स भी होते हैं, इसीलिए ये अपना प्रोटीन भी बना सकते हैं. एंड दे हैव द DNA एज वेल. Now we will talk about the functions of mitochondria. So the main function of mitochondria is to produce energy, and this is called as miniature biochemical factories where food is oxidized and energy is released. This energy is stored in the form of ATP. Hence mitochondria are called the powerhouse of the cell, because the mitochondria produces energy in the form of ATP. That's why it is called powerhouse of the cell. And they provide important intermediate for the synthesis of several biomolecule substances like chlorophyll, cytochrome and steroid. And synthesis of many amino acids occur in mitochondria. So many kind of amino acids are formed inside the mitochondria, and mitochondria can manufacture some of their own proteins because the mitochondria contain ribosome, so it also make the protein as well. So, the mitochondria is a double membranous cell organelle found in the eukaryotic cell and responsible for the production of energy. And it has double membrane. The outer membrane is smooth and even and porous. Inner membrane is folded. The folded part of the inner membrane is called cristae, and the space between the outer membrane and inner membrane is called intermembranous space. And the inside the inner membrane, the fluid is present. That fluid is called matrix. Inside the fluid, inside the matrix, there is DNA as well as the ribosomes are present. And inside this folding of the inner membrane create the large surface area for the accomplishment of reaction, chemical reaction. And inside the mitochondria, the process of respiration takes place, and at the end of the respiration the energy is generated in the form of ATP. So hence the mitochondria are called as the powerhouse of the cell, and that's very very important for all the eukaryotic cell, because as you know, the without cell without the energy, the cell cannot make the any process. So this is all for this video. Thank you.